Phase 2, it says, step 1, read over the cause and effect signal words linked below. All right, cause and effect signal words, here they are. Cause is why something happened, and effect is what happened. So the cause is the why did this happen, and the effect is what happened. So here are our signal words. So, because, since, if, then, therefore, this led to, reason why, as a result, maybe due to, effect of, consequently, or for this reason. Check. Now, phase 2, step 2. Look through the text homesick and see how many words from the cause and effect signal words you find. Underline those words and write cause if it is the reason why something happened, and effect if it is what happened, in place of the underlined words. All right. So let's read homesick. You guys are going to go ahead and underline those signal words, those cause and effect signal words. I have them right here for you. So you can look at them while we're reading, underline them at home, and write either cause if it's the reason why something happened, or effect if it is what happened. Homesick. At school last week, I sat next to a girl who was coughing. Since it's winter, so because it's winter, cause it's winter, cause it's winter, everyone coughs and we cover our mouths. This helps us avoid spreading germs. However, the moment I got home, I knew those germs had gotten to me. My head was pounding. My mom checked my temperature. Sure enough, I had a fever. I coughed. My throat hurt. I had the chills. I was sick. Since I was showing signs of the flu, my dad declared that I would be staying home from school until I got better. I was disappointed because, so that's the why I was disappointed, because I had a science test the next day and I didn't want to miss it. I went to bed early that night, which was fine with me. The sickness made me feel terrible. I stayed home from school the next day. Since I could stay home alone while being so sick, my dad missed work. Since I couldn't stay home alone while being so sick, my dad missed work. He took me to the doctor, where it was confirmed that I had the flu. The doctor directed me to get a lot of rest, drink fluids, and take some medicine. While I napped, my dad tried to work from home. I slept for most of the day because my body was so exhausted. When I woke up, I tried to study for my science test. I knew my teacher would want me to take the test as soon as I returned to school. However, my eyes felt drowsy and I couldn't stay awake long enough to do any good studying. At that moment, resting was more important than studying. After 3 days home from school, I finally felt better, and my parents let me return to my classroom. My friends smiled as they saw me walk in the door. My teacher asked how I was feeling. I told them I was feeling much better and that the flu is not a fun time. They laughed. During science class, my teacher, Mrs. Jenkins, gave me the science test I had missed earlier in the week. She sent me into another classroom to complete it while my class went over the answers together. I knew I was going to have a lot of makeup work from being absent for a few days, but at least I was feeling healthy enough to complete it. All right. So what cause and effect signal words did you guys see? I saw a lot of since words. Since I couldn't stay home, since I was showing signs. Go ahead and underline the ones that you found.